Hello everyone. In today's module, we're diving into the world of advanced targeting strategies on Facebook, a game changer for reaching the right audience. I'm Mohammed, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with advanced techniques to supercharge your ad targeting. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the power of custom audiences and lookalike audiences. These features allow you to reach specific groups and find new users like your existing customer base. Let's explore how to leverage these tools for maximum impact. Here in the audience section, we can create custom audiences based on specific criteria, like website visitors, email subscribers, or engagement with your Facebook page. I'll guide you through creating custom audiences and show you how to harness the magic of lookalike audiences for broader reach. So here in custom audience, we will find a pop-up where we can select our source for traffic. In the next window, we can fill out all the details for our audience who have already shown an interest in your business or product. You can create an audience from your customer contacts, website traffic, or mobile apps. Now let's dive into retargeting strategies. Retargeting allows you to reconnect with users who have interacted with your brand but haven't converted. It's a powerful way to bring potential customers back into your sales funnel. Let's see how it's done. Here in the ad sets section, we can set up retargeting campaigns by specifying audiences who have visited specific pages on our website or engaged with our previous ads. I'll show you how to set up an effective retargeting campaign that keeps your brand top of your mind. Lastly, let's explore interest-based targeting and demographic targeting. These strategies help you reach audiences based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. Let's uncover how to tap into these layers of audience targeting. Here in detailed targeting, we can refine our audience based on interests, hobbies, and even life events. Demographic targeting allows us to narrow down based on age, gender, and other factors. Behavioral targeting involves reaching users based on their actions and behaviors. This could include purchase behavior, device usage, travel patterns, and more. It's a goldmine for advertisers looking to connect with audiences exhibiting specific actions. And there you have it. Advanced targeting strategies to take your Facebook ads to the next level. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.